Good afternoon, everyone. This week's discussion is about potential effects of various developmental approaches on software development methodology. Software development methodology refers to the process of designing, creating, testing, and maintaining software using a systematic approach. It is a set of guidelines and practices that help developers to build high quality software with minimizing errors and reducing a lot of costs. There are various software development methodologies available, including Agile, Waterfall, Scrum, Lean development, and others as well. Software development methodology can have a significant impact on project outcomes by defining the processes and procedures that developers should follow from start to finish. One of the primary benefits of using a software development methodology is that to provide clarity and structure for the development team. This helps in reducing errors, miscommunication, and delays during the project life cycle. Additionally, it also allows for better coordination between team members, as everyone knows their roles and responsibilities very well. Furthermore, using an appropriate methodology can help in ensuring that all the requirements are met and delivered within the budget and within the time frame as well. Constraints. The use of agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban can also helping in responding quickly to changing requirements of customer feedback. Overall, a well implemented software development methodology can significantly improve project outcomes by streamlining workflows, reducing errors, improving communication among the team members, ensuring adherence to timelines, budgets, while delivering high quality products to the customers. Let us take an example. Let's take the waterfall model as an example. The waterfall model is expected to have a significant impact on project outcomes. Firstly, the waterfall model promotes clear and concise communication between project team and stakeholders. Each phase has specific deliverables that must be met before moving on to the next phase of the project. This ensures that everyone involved in the project has a clear understanding of what is expected at each stage of the project. Secondly, the waterfall model helps to identify potential issues early in the development cycle by breaking down the project into distinctive phases, which is a different phases and approaches in a project. It becomes easier to spot problems before they become major roadblocks ahead in a project. Finally, adopting this methodology can lead to the better quality outcomes at each phase has a defined set of objectives that must be met before progressing further and further. When it comes to agile model, this model enables teams to respond quickly and effectively by changing requirements and customer needs. One of the key benefits of an agile model is its ability to promote more frequent and meaningful communication between team members, stakeholders, and customers. This helps ensure that everyone is working towards the same particular goals and that any issues or concerns are addressed in a timely, orderly manner. Another advantage of an agile approach is its focus on delivering working software in short iterations or sprints. This allows teams to get a good feedback from users early on in the development process, which can help identify potential problems before they become major hurdles in the project. Overall, an agile model can lead to a better project outcomes by promoting collaboration, flexibility, and continuous improvement. It can help team deliver high quality software faster and with fewer errors, while ensuring that customer needs are met through the developmental process as well. Here we can observe that each and every model has a different approach to the project outcomes. So coming to the literature in Fit of Development Methodologies in Software Projects, which was written by Rajagopalan, Sriram, Saji Matthew, and Sugaram, it is said the project management has two different views of project management outcome. First one is the studies, which examines the outcome and says whether it is a success or failure. Second one deals with the project in terms of three project goals, which are budget, schedule, and scope. It also is said that each phase in methodology should be completed before jumping into a new phase. This can result in less errors and easy for testing for the people who are doing the software. In other study, it is said the selection of project management approach, project characteristics, and project environment determines the success of the project. Whether you pick the waterfall methodology or agile methodology, the process of getting potential effects are very much real, and we need to choose which software methodology to adopt based on the requirements of the customers and requirements of the company and the type of projects we are going to do. Thanks one and all.